All right. This is a video to show you how you can combine two files into one. Why would you want to do this? Here's an example that a student got feedback from a peer. So we can see here is peer feedback, and the student got feedback on the same file from the professor. And so before doing the revision, the student wants to combine the files so all the feedback is in one file. So the way to do this is uh, have your files saved on your computer. I have downloaded and saved both of these files into my downloads, so I can do that. So start with one of the files, and you're going to click on the Review tab in Word, and then instead of Track Changes, we're going to move a little bit over here to this one that says Compare, and you click on Compare, and we want to combine. That's the choice we want to get is combine. Okay. Like I said, I have saved these in my downloads, so I'm going to find the two documents. Here's the one by the peer review. There's the peer review file, so I highlight it and I say open, and then it gets listed there. I use this search function here also, and I get the one with the professor feedback, and I say open. So now they're both there, and all I have to do is click OK. There we go. And some weird thing happened, like it duplicated the pictures, but I see the professor feedback, more professor feedback. Here. Here's an example where you see both the peer and the professor feedback all in one file. It does some weird things with the pictures, like it duplicates the picture. So we can just delete, if it disturbs you, you can just delete one of the picture that it has duplicated. There we go. There we go. And that looks like I did a double one there. You don't have to do that. The key was that we have combined the files to get the feedback comments for both of them. So the last thing that there's a few things. So I'm going to now save this, save as. I'm going to go to my downloads. That's where I have these saved, just so I remember. And maybe I'm going to call this the student name, Giselle. And this was the short research writing draft, and it was, I'm going to say all feedback. There we go. So it's the professor and the peer. I say save. Nice. I've got that there. Now I could go ahead and start with my actual revision. So of course, I'm going to turn on track changes. Whoops, make sure it's on. There it is. Oh, why is it being picky? For everyone. There we go. Now, track changes is on. Again, if you're on a Mac, you just have that slide button, but I know it's on here in Word because that icon is great. So now, if I were Giselle, I could go ahead and start my revisions with all of my feedback in one file. All right. I hope that helps you out.